Hello and welcome. In a world overflowing with noise, urgency, and endless distractions, it's easy to feel lost. We chase after more possessions, more success, more status, hoping it will bring us peace. But sometimes, the answer lies not in addition, but in subtraction. What if the path to fulfillment wasn't about having more, but needing less? In this audiobook, we'll explore two powerful philosophies, minimalism and Stoicism. Though they stem from different times and traditions, they meet in the same place, a place of clarity, intention, and inner resilience. Together, they offer a map to a simpler, more meaningful life. Let's begin. Chapter 1, The Call to Clarity. Minimalism and Stoicism are more than just buzzwords. They are life-changing philosophies that offer us tools to navigate modern complexity. Minimalism is about removing the excess so we can focus on what truly matters. Stoicism is about strengthening the mind, mastering our emotions, and accepting what we cannot control. This audiobook is a journey, a conversation between ancient wisdom and modern needs. Whether you're overwhelmed, stuck in clutter, or seeking more purpose, you're in the right place. Chapter 2, Ancient Wisdom Meets Modern Need. Stoicism was born in ancient Greece, later refined in Rome by thinkers like Seneca, Epictetus, and Emperor Marcus Aurelius. It taught people how to live virtuously, with calm, reason, and courage, even amid chaos. Minimalism, though more modern, has its roots in art and design. It later evolved into a way of living, choosing simplicity over clutter, clarity over chaos. In today's world, where consumption and comparison dominate our days, both philosophies offer a lifeline. They teach us to slow down, reflect, and realign. Chapter 3, The Heart of Stoicism. At the center of Stoicism is a simple, powerful idea: some things are within our control, and some are not. This principle, called the dichotomy of control, invites us to stop wasting energy on what we cannot change. Instead, we focus on our responses, our actions, and our judgments. Stoicism also teaches that virtue, not money, fame, or comfort, is the highest good. To live well is to live with wisdom, justice, courage, and moderation. Through practices like negative visualization, imagining loss, we build strength and gratitude. Through amor fati, the love of fate, we embrace life as it is, not as we wish it to be. Chapter 4, The Soul of Minimalism. Minimalism asks a simple but profound question: what adds value to your life? It's not just about owning fewer things. It's about being intentional with your time, energy, space, and attention. Clutter, whether physical or digital, creates noise. It pulls us away from what matters. When we simplify, we make space for connection, creativity, and peace. Minimalism rejects the idea that happiness is found in consumption. Instead, it encourages contentment, gratitude, and presence. Chapter 5, When Two Worlds Align. Though born in different times, Stoicism and minimalism are deeply connected. Both embrace simplicity. Both value discipline and self-mastery. Both invite us to live on purpose. Where Stoicism builds inner strength, minimalism clears outer distractions. Together, they guide us to a life of clarity. Both practices involve reflection, journaling, simplifying, voluntary discomfort. These are shared tools. They teach us to choose what matters, and let go of what doesn't. Chapter 6, Tools for a Better Life. So how do we apply these ideas in your personal life? Start by simplifying your space. Notice how it affects your thoughts. Use Stoic reflection to guide your emotions. Ask, is this within my control? At work, use minimalism to reduce distraction. Focus on essentials. Let Stoicism help you stay grounded under pressure. Online, practice digital minimalism. Limit what you consume. Unplug when you can. Let Stoic calm replace social media reactivity. Each small step creates space for peace, for meaning, for presence. Chapter 7, Clearing the Misconceptions. Some people think minimalism is about deprivation. It's not. It's about abundance, but the kind that matters. Relationships. Freedom. Time. Some think Stoicism means being emotionless. In truth, Stoicism teaches healthy emotional balance. It says, feel. But don't be ruled by feelings. Choose your response. These are not cold philosophies. They are compassionate, wise, and deeply human. Chapter 8, Stories of Change. Consider Marcus Aurelius. As emperor, he faced war, betrayal, and plague, but remained grounded in Stoic virtue. Or Joshua and Ryan, the minimalists. They walked away from high-paying careers to live simply. Now, they help others find freedom in less. Or Sarah, a fictional example. A busy professional drowning in digital noise. By decluttering her home and practicing Stoic reflection, she found peace she hadn't known in years. These stories remind us, change is possible. Simplicity is powerful. Chapter 9, Healing Through Simplicity. Minimalism and Stoicism are powerful tools for mental health. They reduce stress. They quiet the mind. Stoic journaling builds emotional insight. Minimalist living reduces decision fatigue. Both increase mindfulness. In a world that pulls us in 1,000 directions, these practices bring us back to stillness, to center, to self. Chapter 10, The Path Forward. So where do you begin? Start small. Declutter a drawer. Take a quiet moment to reflect. Ask what you truly need. Practice gratitude. Accept what you can't control. Minimalism and Stoicism are not destinations, they are paths. Paths to a life lived with intention, resilience, and peace. Let this audiobook be your companion as you simplify the outer world and strengthen your inner world. Remember, you don't need more to be more. You need less, so you can focus on what truly matters. Thank you for listening, and welcome to a simpler, stronger life.